Anju, you are appearing for interview on which date?
2nd June, sir.
In Marine Drive, correct?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, to start with, what is your native place?
Nedambasheri, Ernakulam.
Acha. Then what is your father?
He's a retired personnel, sir. He used to work at Hindalco Industries.
What was Hindalco Industries doing?
It is a aluminum company that comes under Aditya Birla Group. It is producing aluminum and various aluminum sheets and also.
Even now,
So
even now they are working?
Yes, yes.
Hindalco is there. Very good. Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
How many siblings do you have, please?
I have an elder sister.
Mm.
She is working as a officer at CSB Bank.
What is CSB Bank?
CSB is one of the private sector banks in India. It's headquartered at Thrissur, and current CEO is Pralay Mudal. And also one of the major shares of CSB Bank is now taken by a company called Fairfax. And that's it, sir.
What is the difference between Federal Bank and CSB in terms of service conditions?
There is, I'm not aware of any big difference. Like both are private sector banks and they both provide services and products to customers. And CSB Bank, I think it is more focused on gold loan. They are getting more profits from gold loan. Is that I think that is one of the difference now that comes in my mind.
I asked you about service conditions in the set. They are all paid contract salary or CTC salary.
Oh, yes, sir. Actually, now IBA agreement, right? Are you asking about?
Yeah. Good. What is IBA? What is IBA?
IBA, like, one second.
Indian Banks Association. Indian Banks Association.
Indian Bank Association.
When is the when is the wage agreement for bank employees due?
I believe all private banks enter into an agreement with IBA regarding the CTC scale of pay and all. So recently CSB has withdrawn from signing into that agreement. So now actually the scale of getting the required pay. So it is on base of contract basis. Actually, they are getting the scale of pay only. So
very good.
That is
now my question is, in terms of now our Federal Bank is giving you IBA salary.
Yes.
Now that IBA salary revision is due on which date?
I'm not sure, sir.
November 2022.
Okay.
It is due on November 2022. There will be a revision with back date effect.
So like November 22 is finished right now, so it's gone.
Yeah.
Okay.
But they have not come to an understanding yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. What is the degree you studied?
I completed my BTech in electrical and electronics engineering.
After that, why do you want to become an Fccs?
So like after completing my graduation, I actually worked at TCS for almost 2 years. So like I have been working and I have been not working in my domain. So I have already changed that. I used to work at IT field, but like after working there in IT field for almost 2 years, like I decided this will not be my line of career. I have to take something else. So after giving some thought, I think banking would be a great option because being an engineering graduate, I am good at technical skills and also analytical skills. So this banking is a profession where I will be able to make good use of my skills, and also I can grow in my career. In IT, actually what happens is the career growth is not that much possible. Career growth is possible, but only like doing a job hopping. So like that wise only we'll get a growth in the career. But in banking, I will be getting promotions like after some years of service, like after my seeing my performance and all. So I can grow in my career really well in a bank. So, and also as an employee in a bank, I can work in various fields, like I can work in finance and customer relations, sales, marketing. So a lot of fields are there. I can learn a lot. So that is the main reason I am choosing banking.
Are you working now or you resigned long back?
I resigned, sir. I worked at TCS for 2 years. Like on November 2020, I resigned.
Acha, acha. November 2020 itself you resigned.
Yes.
During the Corona period.
Yes.
Okay, that's right. What are the services given by Federal Bank?
Okay. So fees like loans and like okay. Now so Federal Bank has been giving a lot of new digital innovations. Mainly include FEDI credit, that is an online loan against deposit, and also we have Federal Bank is giving a FedBook Selfie. That is a app where customers can open a savings bank account and get account number instantly. So that is a service provided by bank. And also like the digital services like there's a Lotsa app and scan and pay. All this comes under digital services. Then like ATM service, then the safe locker services, and
No,
that.
you can broadly classify as deposit products, loan
Okay.
products, digital
o-
products, and other services like that. You can tell.
Okay. Okay, sir.
You can identify, and also about NRI, because they are more keen about NRI. That also you can say. They also
Okay.
do demat accounts. So these points you can tell. And
Okay.
Federal Bank is also a authorized dealer. Say they do foreign exchange business also. Yeah. Now,
Sorry, sir.
Federal
I
Bank
didn't.
is
I couldn't
also
get
Federal Bank is also an authorized dealer. They do business in foreign exchange also.
foreign exchange. Okay, sir.
Very good. So why should I select what is your name?
Anju.
Anju. Why should I select Anju?
Okay, sir. As being an engineering graduate, I am good at analytical and technical skills. I have good analytical and technical skills. And also I am good at observation. Like I have a keen observation skills. I believe that is required for this financial crime compliance post. And I am a quick learner, so I will be able to learn fast through this 2-year program, which is actually a learning program, right? So I will be able to learn everything, and also I can develop my skills. And I'm good at teams. As I used to work at TCS, I have been working in teams, so I am a good team player. Um, and I'm also an enthusiastic and passionate person, and I love to work in the bank.
Are you willing to work anywhere in India?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, can you please tell me what do you understand by budget? What is budget? Why that budget is relevant?
Budget, like every government has this, like it includes all the financial requirements that a state requires or a country requires. And so like it is during the starting of a year, a budget is presented, like what are our requirements and how much money can be spent on each field, like how much money is allotted to each departments, and what all innovations or what all developments has to be done in different sectors and where money is required. So this money is being divided into different sectors and they are allotted to them. And then like that, I believe that is basically what is a budget is, sir.
What is a fraud through phishing links?
Okay, so phishing, it is a kind of social engineering fraud. It comes under social engineering that only. And in phishing, a person or a organization, a fraudster, he acting like a authorized personnel. He will send some mails to customers or even employees and asking to click on some links or download anything. So that is like he is acting like a authorized personnel, and the customers and employees can get duped by that. So by clicking on some links or like that, sometimes the data may get hacked, and that can lead to some serious issues. So that phishing is basically a fraud done through mails. Yes, sir.
Up to what amount is exempted from TDS in respect of fixed deposit interest?
Uh, Up to 7 lakhs,
No, no,
I'm not sure.
40,000 per year.
Oh,
Interest on fixed deposit 40,000 is
okay,
exempted for people below 60 years age, and people
okay,
above 60 years age it is 50,000.
okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah, that is right. What do you understand by core banking solution?
Core banking solutions are basically softwares developed for in order to work in a bank. Actually, I'm not really sure on that, sir.
What is the core banking solution software of TCS?
It's banks.
Yeah. Core banking solution is a software that helps banks branches to connect with the main server of the bank.
Okay, okay, sir.
So what is the advantage of core banking solution?
I believe anywhere banking can be done. It is become helpful by this core banking solution. Nowadays, customer can of any bank can visit any branch and can do money transactions and can do deposits. So for customers, this core banking solution is really helpful. So likewise, so branches can connect with one another. So transactions and day-to-day activities in the banks will become more easier. Yes.
Can you tell me what is a debit card? What is a credit card?
Okay. Debit card is actually given to account holder of savings bank account. It is given like we can the only the amount which is in the account can be withdrawn by using a debit card. But whereas a credit card, we can withdraw amount above our limit. But a certain limit will be given by different banks. So only till that limit we can withdraw the credit. And also in credit card, annual fees will be will be debited from our account. But debit card doesn't have that.
No, no,
Um,
both debit card also has charges, but some banks give it free.
okay.
And
Uh,
credit card, the difference is you have to pay interest on that if you are not repaying the money before the
uh,
due date.
yes.
Before the due date. Yeah. So tell me about your place.
Okay, I am from Nedumbasheri in Ernakulam district, Kerala. Nedumbasheri is actually a place situated. The Cochin International Airport is situated at Nedumbasheri. So before 10 years, before 10 years, this was actually a village-like area. Like there was no much developments and all. But after the Cochin International Airport came, this has become a developed town, and we have because of the airport, we have many facilities. Like a lot of township is now happening, and also stadium is going to come here near our village.
Who is
That
your role
work
model?
has
Who is your
okay.
role model?
Actually, that I haven't thought about, sir.
You must be able to tell either father or mother
Or
or
mother.
say
Okay.
somebody like that with whom you are having frequent contacts, and what is the quality you would like to
Uh,
learn from him.
Okay.
Which quality
Okay.
of his would you like to copy?
Ha.
You
Yes.
must know about that. Can you tell me something? Last question for you. Can you tell me
Okay.
something about Reserve Bank of India?
Okay, so RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is known as the Bankers Bank, and it came into existence on 1935. It started its operation 1935, and RBI Act came into existence in 1934. And RBI controls the money, like all the all the banks in private sector and public sector comes under RBI, and money like okay.
I have told
Okay.
this question many times.
Yes, so I have to
It is
prepare some more on that. Uh,
bankers to government, note issuing
Okay,
authority, foreign
okay,
exchange control, and monetary policy authority.
yes, I'll
Controlling
prepare on that.
controlling
Yeah.
the inflation by increasing the repo rate or reducing the repo rate.
Oh,
Best
okay.
wishes. God bless you. Attend the
Thank you, sir.
interview with confidence and send me the list of questions they are asking you.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Best
Thank you.
wishes. God bless you.